Well, I came to this conference as an absolute newbie. I signed up just a few days ago, deciding to have a look at this program, and I've actually been very, very impressed. It's very practical, hands-on, and got a lot of understanding of the steps I need to take to actually make a successful Amazon business. Yes, as I said, I've just started, but I've got some really, really good leads now of which products I can actually sell and why they would sell, and to which market I could sell them to, and how I can write the copy to make sure that they get the attention and the sales. I'd recommend this conference for anyone that's really considering the online environment. One of the things that really impresses is the way that they've taught us not only the sales side, but also how to source the products, and that's why I was attracted to the course in the first place. So anyone that's thinking of selling products online, this course would actually be beneficial. The thing that attracted me to this course is Alex really knows his stuff. He's got many years experience importing from China, and then he knows how to actually get it sold. So you're not just buying the course, you're buying the information that he's built up in his head and the skill set that he's got over the course of many years actually doing it himself. The journey starts now, and I'm really excited about the next steps that I take for this.